on you guys for half a second, I think, but not the last time. But anyway, so I'm going to try to put this over her so she doesn't bite me. She's smarter than I am already, I can tell you. She's halfway out. That's the way to get me. I've got to not drop the eggs. This is not going to be fun. Yeah, normally we have another camera on this. This will probably be the video you guys been waiting on. And I got to get on a plane in a few minutes. Go make a whole bunch of crazy videos. My own shadow freaked me out in the back of the cage. Okay, you ready? Just way underneath. No, you gotta go further underneath. She's hanging on a bit closer. Okay, I think we pulled it off. Okay. Whoa! Yeah, that would have been fun without the magic. More magic. Whoa! I told you it was going to take magic. The good news is, look how many eggs there are. Whoa! Yep, like I said, we should have the other camera. Okay, so, this snake is actually a het titanium, het pied, hey, come on, girl. Het pied, and we bred her to a citron, which is basically het titanium pied tiger, and this is a tiger, so this is going to have some really beautiful snakes if everything goes half right. Last year we only had 4 eggs. This year we got maybe, I don't know, we're going to find out in a minute. Come on, girl. She's like, hey, I finally laid some eggs and you're going to take them from me? Yes, because we want them to hatch, because they won't hatch otherwise. Come on, girl. Come on. So, the good part is with this small clutch, I can levitate. Oh, man. Oh, I got it right in the face. I knew this was going to be the video. Blood and all. How do you know it just because you don't put a camera up?